Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today's video is going to be very informative. We are going to talk about principles of software tester. So we have initiated one great thing on our website where you just need to click on free training. So if you're someone who is deciding to learn about software testing, you can reach to our free training section on our website. Here's the link as well, and it will be in the mentioned at our YouTube channel as well. And here, let me talk about the blog principles of software testing, which is really important when we are looking to start our career as a software tester. So principles are something which will really help us, and it will guide us throughout our testing career. So majorly, there are 7 main testing principles. So let me first name out those principles. First is testing shows presence of defect. Second is exhaustive testing is impossible. Third is early testing, then defect clustering, then pesticide paradox. After that, testing is context dependent, and absence of errors fallacy. So these are the 7 principles. Now let me tell you in short about each principle type. And for more, you can definitely join our free learning sessions. You can join our website for it as well. So the first is testing shows presence of defect, which means that whenever as a tester we look to start a testing, so our testing can show that defects are present in the software or not, but cannot prove that software is defect free. The main purpose of the testing is to find defects or bug, right? So our testing or our test plan should be in a way so that we can cover and find maximum defects. Next is exhaustive testing is impossible. So most of the time this situation comes when we work as a tester, that where we have to deal with a big data set which is impossible nearly to test. So instead of getting exhausted, we should create a process where we cover most of the testing and we don't get exhausted at the same time as well. Next is early testing. So early testing is something which is really needed, that we should start the testing process as early as possible. Most of the testers think that testing process start once the product is developed, but which is not correct. Testing is start from the project, from the requirement defining time itself. And if we are looking to cover the complete testing, and if we are looking to deliver a project before deadline, we should start the testing process as early as possible. After that, moving on to the next principle, which is defect clustering. So defect clustering principle follow Pareto principle, which is 80 by 20 rule. Now, what this means is that 80% of defects are detected in about 20% of the modules of a large system. So which means that mostly defects are something which are linked with the smaller modules of a large system. So we should cover each and every module so that our system can become a defect free. After that, pesticide paradox principle, which states that after doing a number of iterations of testing, most of the bugs will get fixed and the hot spots of defects will get cleared. But testers might not look other areas as well. So to overcome this problem, as a tester, we should review and we should revise our test cases regularly so we can cover and find all the defects. Moving forward, next is testing is context dependent. Now, this is really important that we have to understand that whatever we are testing, if we are testing a mobile application, so the approach of testing that will be a different in compared to the desktop web application. So if you are testing a desktop application, you should do its testing on desktop. If you are testing a mobile application, you can, by changing the version, you can do on desktop as a mobile version, but you should also test it on mobile as well. Moving forward to the last principle, which is absence of errors fallacy. So it is a mistaken belief that finding and fixing the defect is a key to success for a software, but which is not. The software implementation is more depend towards the business need as well. So what we have to do, we have to cover the defects, and at the same time, we should look that the software is covering or meeting the business needs or not. So this is all about the 7 testing principles which will help you as a tester throughout your career. I hope this video you guys liked it. Make sure to like our channel and subscribe our channel as well. And if you want more videos, make sure to let us know in comments so we can make sure to serve you well. Thank you. Bye-bye.